3, 2, 1, let's go! Getting gear in and out of a truck bed should be simple, and too often it's not. It's climbing, reaching, dragging, and digging, just wasting time and burning energy, banging yourself up before the real work even starts. And that is what the WEATHERGUARD sliding truck bed is built to fix. It brings the load to the tailgate, it cuts down on wasted motion, and makes access faster, easier, and a whole lot smoother. So today, we're putting that challenge to the test. I'm Jonathan Webster, and this is the WEATHERGUARD Sliding Truck Bed Challenge. It is a balmy day here in North Carolina where we are testing the features and benefits of the all-new WEATHERGUARD sliding truck bed against a traditional truck bed setup. 2 trucks, one with the sliding truck bed and one without. They'll be loaded with the exact same cargo. It'll be a race to unload every piece of cargo from the back of these truck beds and place them into their correct spot that's been marked and labeled on the ground. Let's meet our contestants. Tyler, tell us a little about yourself.
My name's Tyler, I'm 33, and I think I'm gonna win because he's got soft hands.
Nice. Competitive advantage. Andrew, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Andrew, I'm 31. I think I'll win because my wife has been training me for this for years.
Experienced man, lane 2. Okay guys, before we get to the main event, we thought it'd only be fun and fair to get you guys to compete for who's gonna get the WEATHERGUARD sliding truck bed. So when we start from right here, you're gonna sprint to the barrier, pick up the WEATHERGUARD truck box key, and come to your WEATHERGUARD truck box. As you can see, it's loaded with rope and cords and drill bits, all kinds of stuff. But inside that box, there is a WEATHERGUARD puck. The first to find the puck, bring it back to me, is gonna get to use the WEATHERGUARD sliding truck bed in the main event. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
All right, Tyler, are you ready?
Yes.
Andrew, are you ready?
Ready.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. And we're off. Tyler with a head start. Box 1 is open. Tyler's digging through it. Tyler's out to an early lead, looking for that WEATHERGUARD puck. Andrew is making up some ground. At this point, it's anybody's race, guys.
Oh!
And Tyler is your winner for mini challenge. Looks like you're stuck with a typical truck bed, Andrew.
Oh, man.
Let's go, fellas. Okay, guys, now for the main event. The rules are you can't pull off more than one thing at the same time. If there's 2 cinder blocks, feel free to grab those, but you can't grab a toolbox and a cinder block at the same time. If you break something and drop something, 15 seconds will be added to your time at the end of the run. Sound good? Yes. Any questions? How we feeling?
Feel great.
Yeah? How about you? Still confident?
Yeah, still confident. He's not athletic enough to get into the bed, so.
Trash talk has begun. All right, guys, enough talking. Time for the main event. Tyler, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Andrew, are you ready?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, let's go! The sliding truck bed is already out and Tyler's doing work. Andrew off to an okay start. Let's see if he can keep up the pace. Bringing all of your gear to the tailgate is seeming to pay off tremendously for Tyler right now. Great job, guys. Uh-oh, broken cinder block, 15 seconds added to Andrew's time. You can already see the fatigue setting in lane 2 without the truck bed. Tyler is starting to take a commanding lead with the WEATHERGUARD sliding truck bed. The cones are out. Tyler's gonna have to fix that pipe, but he's out to such a big lead that it won't matter much. Andrew's getting to the side so he can get to the back of the truck bed before he starts jumping in and out of that truck bed. The cooler is down in lane 1. 2 items left. Andrew still work yet to do. Lane 1 victorious. sliding truck bed pays off, and we have a winner. Great job, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Andrew, a few laps yet to go. Getting the sandbags now. One wrench yet to go. And we have a finisher. How you feeling?
Out of gas. Worn out.
Rather have the truck bed?
Much. Yeah.
Absolutely. Tyler, any immediate reaction?
It's a whole lot easier not having to jump in and out of the truck.
Yeah.
Be able to reach things from just over the side here.
Absolutely.
You can go all the way to the middle, which you can't do if you're looking for something at the back of your truck.
Yeah. Great work, guys. Congratulations, Tyler. We have a winner of the WEATHERGUARD Sliding Truck Bed Challenge. Thank you all for watching today. Tyler, Andrew, thanks for the energy, for the effort, for competing. We really appreciate it. It was a great showing today. And on behalf of WEATHERGUARD and the Sliding Truck Bed, we'll see you soon. Bring the job to the tailgate.